How to get rid of worms in humans, including parasite cleanse diet. The thought of having worms or parasites in your body is enough to make your skin crawl. However, tapeworms, roundworms, and other types of worms and parasites in humans is a more common problem than you probably realize. Worms can infect your intestinal tract if you drink contaminated water, have poor hygiene habits, eat undercooked food, or handle pets that are infected. Parasitic worms come in all shapes and sizes, and they are tiny microscopic creatures. Parasitic infections can cause diarrhea, unexplained weight loss, abdominal cramping, itching around the anus, and nutrient deficiencies. Because these symptoms can indicate other types of infections, diagnosing parasites and worms in humans can be a challenge. There are many home remedies for worms in humans that rid your body of parasitic organisms. For example, many parasite cleanse diets include foods that kill worms with ingredients like garlic, onions, and papaya seeds. Also, parasite cleanse supplements containing clove oil, oregano oil, or wormwood can help to kill off worms and parasites from the gut. Types of parasites in humans. Here are the most common types of intestinal worms and parasites that are found in the human body. Tapeworms. These flatworms cause a common parasitic infection that affects humans, especially in developing countries. Doctors from Sweden say that tapeworms can grow up to 30 feet (9 meters) in humans. They are contracted from eating undercooked food or food that has been prepared by an infected person. Some types of tapeworms are Tania solium from pork, Tania cygonata from beef, and the Phalobothrium latum from seafood. Tapeworms can cause digestive upset and weight loss. Roundworms. A common roundworm that affects humans is Ascaris, which, according to Dr. Lars Grimmen on Medscape, can grow up to 35 centimeters in size and live for up to 2 years. Usually, the eggs are ingested in contaminated food. They feed on food in your digestive system and can cause vitamin and nutrient deficiencies. The worms are usually detected in feces. Whipworms. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) say that whipworms, Trichuris trichiura, are about 4 centimeters long and infect the intestines of humans. The infection occurs from whipworm eggs in the soil that get transferred to the mouth. The parasitic infection can happen by eating vegetables or fruits that haven't been washed, cooked, or peeled properly. Or, not washing your hands after working with soil can cause a whipworm infection. Symptoms are painful bowel movements with mucus, water, and blood. Hookworms. Hookworms live in the soil and can often affect people who walk barefoot, especially in developing countries or in places where animals live. Dr. Richard Pearson from the University of Virginia School of Medicine says that hookworm infections cause an itchy rash along with digestive problems and respiratory issues. Common types of hookworms are Ancylostoma duodenale and Mercator americanus. Parasites. According to the CDC, parasites, or protozoa, are one-celled organisms and can infect a person if they come into contact with contaminated food or water. Doctors from the Mayo Clinic say that Giardia is a common parasite that lives in water. Common sites where these parasitic creatures live are streams, lakes, and swimming pools. Giardia infections can cause abdominal cramping, nausea, and watery diarrhea and last for up to 6 weeks. Natural remedies to kill parasites and worms in humans. Some natural ingredients contain compounds that help kill off tapeworms, pinworms, threadworms and other types of parasites. These are also called anthelmintic remedies. Here is a list of some of the most effective natural remedies to treat parasite infections. Diatomaceous earth. This naturally occurring substance kills off internal parasites by destroying their exoskeletal system. Food-grade diatomaceous earth is a non-toxic antiparasitic powder and can be safely ingested. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful antibiotic with antiparasitic properties. Papaya seeds. Ground-up papaya seeds have been shown to help destroy intestinal parasites and can help cleanse your intestines. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds can also be useful in eliminating various types of worms from your intestines. Onions. Similar to garlic, onion contains sulfur compounds that have been shown to kill off intestinal parasites and worms. Parasite cleansing supplements like oregano oil, clove oil and wormwood are all important tools in your fight against internal worms and parasites. Let's look in more detail at how to consume and use the above remedies to get rid of worms and parasites. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family.